y'all, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, Kim's Farmhouse Life. Today, we are doing a Saturday morning clean with me. I thought I would take y'all around and show you the mess that I have so you see what I'm working with, and then we will get started. Right here, we had a pretty heavy rain yesterday and sprung a leak. So now I'm going to have to touch up the paint on the ceiling. But anyways, just thought I'd show y'all around and then we will get started. There's my silly girl. And y'all, stick around till the end of the video. There are some fun little moments between me and my daughter at the end of the video. I think y'all will enjoy them. Okay y'all, I started out in my living room and I'm folding up all these blankets. We use so many blankets all year long, and I'm picking up all the pillows I have. My husband says I have way too many pillows, but can you really have too many pillows? I don't think so. I started unloading my dishwasher and all of the dishes were pretty wet, so I'm having to dry them off. I noticed that the jet dry, or the rinse aid little compartment in the dishwasher was basically empty, so I filled it up, and so since I've done that, the dishes have not been as wet. I guess it really does help dry the dishes, so I'm having to dry all these off by hand, and then I'm going to start putting them up. Normally on Saturdays I don't do a lot of cleanup. Usually I get everything cleaned up on Friday, and then the weekends I don't do a whole lot unless I just need to throw in some laundry or something. But this particular Saturday we just stayed around the house, and my husband was working on my car, so I just decided to do some things that I didn't get finished on Friday. I had to put some tea on to boil because my family loves their sweet tea. We use the gallon size Lipton tea bags. I bring it to a boil and then I cover it and I'll let it set for a little while to steep. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, you should go over there and follow me right now. I post stories daily. I try to do a lot of inspirational and funny posts, and there is a great group of women over there. We like to support each other and encourage each other, and I would really encourage you to go over there and follow me and some of the other ladies. case you're wondering what I'm doing here, this is where I keep like paint and stuff, and my son was actually painting, so I was putting the paint up. And of course, I had to start some laundry. Every day it seems like I'm doing laundry, and if I miss a day, man, it piles up. Would y'all just look at that trash? I think I'm the only one who sees it. I know I've said it before, but the trash is invisible to everyone else, I think. And to clean my table, I'm using the Method Wood for Good cleaner in the almond scent. I love the way it smells and it works so good. I get my Method and Mrs. Meyer's cleaners from Grove Collaborative. I have a link in the description box below. If you would like to use that link, you will get a 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's gift set for signing up.
I like those in my coffee. And then in this milk jar, we have long spoons for coffee.
We shall go, girlfriend.
And then we have 3 different things. We have a thing of coffee. I don't know what kind of coffee it is. Some sugar, just normal sugar. And I don't know what's in here. There's nothing in this tea one. She just got it for decoration.
Yeah,
Basically. At one point in time, we had something in there.
yeah, I used to have some.
And what is this?
That is collagen
Collagen, guys.
for your coffee.
Collagen for your coffee. I thought it was like powdered sugar.
No.
And then we have all of our flavorings and stuff. Because if y'all saw me earlier moving those and getting the rag and washing off. So yeah, this is our coffee.
Now,
And we clean it.
say, here's all. Okay, I think that we're pretty much done.
Yes.
This was my Saturday morning kind of cleaning up. It's not like a deep clean. I didn't mop or anything. I'll probably do that Monday because the house tends to get dirty over the weekend because tomorrow being Sunday we'll be lazy all day. So anyways, this was just kind of a Saturday morning cleanup, and I thank y'all so much for watching.
I will do the outro.
Oh,
Okay, guys. So if you like this Saturday morning, afternoon type cleaning video, we did a whole house clean, basically all the whole house. So if y'all liked it, make sure you subscribe and turn post notifications on and like this video. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye.